Here's my second review. Old Dutch Crunch, potato chips, kettle cooked, jalapeno and cheddar. And yeah, I've tried these before. These are pretty damn good. So yeah. Here's what they look like.
5.
It's actually a little bit of a kick, but it's not that spicy.
Did you say it's a ripoff?
Not a ripoff, actually. This tastes. You can taste the cheese. It's good. I mean, a very light jalapeno. It's not that spicy. I taste a little bit of the jalapeno.
Better than those.
I would recommend these. I would give these like a 9 out of 10. Pretty good. Want to try one?
Yeah. I don't think it's respectful to be eating in front of people.